Hello? Hello?
Oh,
Okay.
Oh,
I think it's slightly loud now. Can you check? I think it's loud. It's quite loud. It's going red.
no noise at
You
the
have to
moment.
wait.
Okay.
Hello? Yeah. Hello? It's quite loud.
Okay, maybe reduce this.
Hold up. Now let's see. I'll put it to half. So now. Okay, yeah, this is slightly better. Okay. Let's read the disclaimer again because
sure.
mistakes were made, right? We are not a registered investment or broker-dealer. All opinions expressed here are from personal research and are intended as educational material. Although best efforts are made to ensure that all information is accurate and up-to-date, occasionally unintended errors may occur. And our quote.
Yes. I think you should, because this is a sign that you should read it with more passion. That's why the mud doesn't work. Really.
And God is able to bless you abundantly, so that in all things at all times, having all that you need, you will abound in every good work.
Yes. 2 Corinthians 9 verse 8.
Yes.
Yes. Okay, we will start the day.
Now say it in Hebrew.
I don't know Hebrew yet. Okay, as usual, Tesla, not much of a thing today. Well, we are looking at there is a new slot here. Can you help me to type? That's Disney, DIS.
What's Disney?
Yeah, Disney has a huge gap up of $10
Okay.
due to certain news.
Wow.
Okay, I'm expecting it to fade. That means it will go down, and after that, we will see from the rest of the day. Wow. You have
What
allergies.
happened now?
Later I'll tell you what happened. That's why I saw your face having some issue just now. Could you help me to Tesla back?
Okay.
Well, we are going into the end of the week with once again into Tesla. That's the only stock available in the stock market. Please give us a few moments.
The only
I'll
stock
need to
available.
take a look at my
Yes.
partner rashes on the hand. Wow, let me
Ain't
do it.
rashes.
I
Not
think
really.
He had
Yeah, so what?
Can
What's
you show
wrong?
me this one?
This one has some.
Some, right? Because I saw it on your face today.
Oh wow.
Yeah.
Yeah. Why is that now?
Could we mute this just for a while?
Sure.
Guys, we'll be back in a minute. Thank
Yes.
you. Before
Give
the
us a
market open.
second.
Okay, and we are back.
Yes.
Sorry for the
we're
delay.
good now.
Yeah, apparently Ray has allergies. Wow. What did you eat?
No, no.
Did you eat prawns today?
I always do. It's not the problem.
Yeah, that's right. Clothings.
Fishball
You-
noodles, $4.
Do you have any lunch today?
What do you think? I
No.
only ate dinner though. I can't take.
We will discuss
There's
that
no
later.
way.
Okay, we have another minute.
You know, Hebrew is so complicated.
No problem. Thank you for the blessing.
Oh yes.
Hebrew?
Hebrew is so complicated. Like, just saying ba can mean, hey, I checked, and then was like,
Yeah, it's quite similar to it's quite similar to our language. Like okay lah.
yeah.
It can be a lot of things.
I checked when they write it, right? And I checked individual, and I realized like it's so weird, and I realized you have to read from the right to the left.
Oh, which is like ancient Chinese. We
Yeah,
don't practice
true,
that now,
I
of
guess.
course. The Taiwan still practice that.
Oh, really?
Yeah, Taiwan still practice that.
Maybe that's why it's going down.
Yup. 2 more seconds. Okay.
Hey.
Let's start our journey. Our journey begins. I'm going to go in for a 1 minute one and done. At here. Actually, it's a very, very good one and done. Can I? Nope, you don't.
You
stop
don't.
me. Just for illustration purpose, for the 1 minute, if you guys have a sudden search today, right? Anytime passing through a full number at the immediate open, usually give you a very big gap up.
Coming.
Yeah, a good get up. Like today, it gave up $4. So for those who are fast, now they can go through.
I think
easily.
coming in Hebrew is like or like something.
Okay, R. I'll set up R. Okay, another 1 minute to go, which is at 471. We'll be patient and wait for the market to set up. Okay, let's see. This is a very nice point. If it persists slowly, we can have a market one. Well, meanwhile, I'll take a quick view for your guys at Disney. Okay, okay.
Ooh. I thought Tesla was the only viable trade.
Yes, apparently. Okay, with next week going, we have 866, 877 for the market one, or for the green tax rate, sorry. And I'm exiting now. Thank you. Okay, the new entry is 93 point. Let me take a look.
Yes.
93.23. That's a quick one. Okay, as you guys can see, we have Disney starting to fade
Will you
down.
put your eyes on Netflix now?
I am. People got to buy Netflix one of these days.
Oh. Are you not only doing Tesla today?
Okay,
I mean, it's not bad, I guess.
we should continue to do Tesla today, right?
You have to concentrate. That's normally what happens.
Okay, 8877, which is now. Oh, we have a second failure for this. So a good advice is we shouldn't go in unless it has a very big gap down. The green tax rate failed for the second time's downside. So apparently the 888 is a very strong bar. Trying to break through the 888. Nope. We need Q. We got QQQ at our with us. Okay, need to exit again. I shouldn't exit so early actually. I got a good take on the, because we are below the VWAP. So I am going for another entry for the puts in 1 minute time. Do you like the Disney, or we concentrate on Tesla today?
I don't think Tesla's that nice, technically.
There it goes.
Okay.
Mm,
Well,
I should have more faith.
I don't like the view of.
Because the Vivo is above us. That's why I was telling you that we should take the put
Mhm.
just now.
Well, I'm not a put person.
Yep. The 15 minutes is actually telling you everything you need to know, which is choppy. It's very choppy. Would you? Okay, next freak is nice. Let's be cautious here. Okay, next freak has market 1 over here, but it's above, it's just below the R2. So it hit,
Risky.
it hit, but I'm not taking it.
Disney.
Yeah, I still like Tesla though, for the put. If this one chill and enable us to come in.
If Disney can pass the VWAP, it'll be.
Oh,
Oh, why?
True.
Why did you?
It's the market 1.
Yeah, but
I know. Sorry. I make a
you
mistake.
should
Yeah.
probably.
Okay,
like,
our cutoff, we will stay in our cutoff, which
yeah.
is here. 06. Okay. Mistake is made. Okay, what happened just now is that I pressed the wrong button, and what thing
Yes.
came out?
Not sure.
Yeah, certain screen came out on my screen,
Yeah.
and we totally
There was
missed the trick,
another-
causing another unfortunate scenes.
Mm.
Let's see if we are able to break through.
I don't really like this.
Yeah, I don't really like
thing.
this as
Yeah,
well.
It's not very nice.
Okay, let's look at other possible trade.
We could check on Fibonacci.
Oh yeah, okay. Let's check on Fibonacci. Okay, we actually bounced at 50% nicely. We bounced at 50% nicely. So at the Fibonacci, right, that today it actually get down 50%. Wow. Okay, so basically Tesla is heavy and fade out. We are at no man's land here. Perhaps that's why we should chill. I think we'll wait for a 2 minute green or red for it to pass through before we enter into any trades. What do you think?
Good idea.
Yeah. Okay, we have a green takes rate. Red takes
Okay.
green at 3.31.
What?
Hey, what happened to my brain? I'm not thinking.
You are
83.31.
thinking, you're
Yeah,
just not thinking good.
correct. Too much in my mind. Let me teach you another verse.
Oh, what?
My peace be with you. My peace I give to you. That was at the supper when Jesus had with the disciple.
That's good. Mega.
Okay, I like this more and more actually when it start to push higher for the VWAP and before it finally decided to crash down. Okay, we will not be taking the 1 minute as we saw the 1 minute is not doing well. We will be focusing on the 2 minute. That's why we look at the 2 minute chart instead. Okay, touching the VWAP 88.84. I love to take a put here. rate. It's a very
You want a
interesting trade.
bounding.
You bounce back.
Mm-hmm.
You bounce back.
It only works a few times.
Yeah, so it's not a valid trade. I haven't tested it out 100%. But it works this time. Look. Okay, coming up in 10 seconds. If this thing, no, this is what I call a bouncing from the VWAP. Going through, okay. Another of my terms is that I will not take the red tick screen if this bar is like this. That means if it pass through now, I will not take the red tick screen. I will take it now, but I will not take just now.
Make sure it's a green.
Yeah, it's a green. Look. Oh. Wow, okay. Thank you. This is what happened when I have you, right? Okay, let's see whether it will pass through the 3.31. 3.31. Computer problem. Okay, it's testing the VWAP again at 888.49.
I guess you want to go early.
Okay, passing through and touch. The second time, test fail. You see, I like VWAPs. But it is dangerous to take VWAP trades. Why is it so? Because if it pass through VWAPs, it requires huge volume. And usually with huge volume, there will be huge movement. So if you are wrong, oh, you are wrong big.
Well, unless you take it quick and then you try it again. Maybe. Twice. The third one probably won't, but
actually, in stock market, right, the third one usually pass through.
yeah.
It's called 3 tests.
Yeah.
So try to avoid this. Another 20 seconds?
That's why I told you to check. It's a red bar.
It's a red bar, yeah. They are going to give us another hammer. 412, maybe pushing through, not doing the trade. The green is 3.31. 5 more seconds for it to turn green. Let's see.
Okay.
I don't need to check for this, right?
You should still try. No.
Okay. 4.62.
4.62.
We have a next week market 5 coming up. 4.62. Oh, I'm going to teach you something again. Look at this.
Oh no.
We are forming a.
Wait. Oh wow. Why are you doing this?
It will crash down if it pass through the up or down. So 4.62, right?
Why are you using it so small? Lag.
Okay, guys, we got lag.
I don't think we should do anything.
Okay, it passing through. Oh, it's lag. Oh, this lag is no good.
Not very. Ooh. That's kind of okay. It's like okay.
Okay, I'm taking the profit now. Closing to the 880.
Okay.
Thank you.
Not that.
Okay, this is give you a quick trade of mine.
Yeah.
This is, I call it wedge. Wedge. How do you spell that? W-E-D-G-E. How you read that?
Wedge.
Wedge, yeah.
Why is it called wedge?
You see, it can't pass all these 2 minutes. Always can't pass it top and bottom. You always have a lower, a higher what we call a higher low, and also accumulate by a lower high. But of course, this is not a lower high, but it's similar. So whenever there's a breakthrough on top or below, there will be a big fall.
We used this before, but it's slightly.
Yeah, slightly different. This is the other one that is. Just now we should take the trade for half. I forgot again. Yeah. I want to see it pass through the A0, which it will. It's still early in the morning. It's still strong. Okay, we are safe by this last trade.
Hmm.
Thank you. Another illustration once again. As you guys can see, we begin the day having a wrong mindset again. That's my fault. And doing a lot of like, let me go to the 1 minute again. Doing a lot of like rubbish trade here and there, which is not so valid because the VWAP is there. However, the most valid trade we have available
Mm-hmm.
today is the only green, the red text green, which is here. And it just happened that it formed a wedge, so it's a double confirmation. Okay, we might not have any good things anymore. Okay, I forgot to say, passing through the 880.48 actually is a double down. So
House 5.
you can take this. House 5? Let me take a look. The 5 is calm. We have a market 5 here actually. Oh, okay.
Oh.
That's good to know. The 1 minute 200 has been passed. It may bounce, so no man's land, not taking the trade. And the daily, we actually touched the daily. Interesting. Okay, continue to wait. Wait for good news. What do you think? Will we have another small green or small red over here? Okay, based on the rate, right, I will not take this, but I will say that passing through the 881 will give you a small bounce. If we pass through the 881, it's combined with the 200 moving average. Now, why don't you take over for a while?
Why?
I'm trying to text something.
Okay. Now what should I say?
Anything. We are doing a podcast.
No, what is this now? Let me see, Tesla. We're on 2 minutes, but let me switch back to our 9. Never mind, not
The last one, yeah.
last 9. Yes, this 9. Now, second overview on the one here, which has the pass on the 881, and by his okay, went up slightly, and then I'm pretty sure it would. Okay. It seems like it's okay, going up, even more ups. So the market's
Market 1.
yeah.
This is why I say
Slightly
the
lower.
bounce market 1 from the 200 200 MA. If we are lucky, you can bounce through this, the 882.9, okay, which is deep. I miss it, you continue to grow. Going for the VWAP, maybe. But it's still a dangerous trade, which is highly unadvisable. But it's a good one. Passing through the 881. It's a good one. What do we have? We need to wait. A 1 minute down will be facing the 200. That's a bit risky. Let me switch to the 2 minute chart. Big one. Okay, Tesla is still at no man's land over here. I'm still not touching, but I do see a trend. Okay, a slight trend. Small one. Yeah, you need to pass through before anything can happen. So highly unadvisable. I like this green actually, so that we can have a risky green text rate.
Oh,
Okay, No, it still haven't. See, the resistance is here. The force is strong here.
The force isn't with this one.
Yeah. And plus we have VWAP on top. So it's actually a very nice put over here with a small risk for $2 actually.
To take a quick look.
Quick scalp, they say scalps. Tesla not that fantastic this morning.
Yes.
Well, while we are waiting, okay, let me see. I'm going to try this. No. Okay, it's a red. It's a red. It's passing through the $5. Yeah, passing through the $5 and hitting the VWAP for $86.
It could pass the VWAP.
I prefer this to stay a small green. Then we have another trade for the downside.
I think it could break through the VWAP. Possibly.
Let's see how it goes.
Smaller
Well,
hammer.
Okay. I think it let me go through the oh, okay, market one. That's what I suspect. Small market one. I'm still not going into any trade at the moment. No 5 minutes. Okay, the 5 minutes upside still the same. We need to pass through the 499 strongly so that we can push over to the past the VWAPs. If it happens, we might have a trade here. Okay, let me try a small one call for the 499 because it can pass through the 5 minute as well. Let's see, 499. We need strength from QQQ as well. Unfortunately, QQQ has a R2 on top, so okay, I'm not taking the trade because there's a R2 on top.
Oh wow.
Yeah, I am freaker. But we have a double test, 48. Wow, okay. Do you have a joke to say while we wait this long hour of waiting?
While we wait.
Yeah.
Not really. I do have a question.
Yeah. Sure.
Why is America still using horsepower?
Then what should we use?
Power.
You sure?
Why not?
That there is a new formula for power?
No, but like why use horsepower instead of just power? Why convert it? Takes way too much time.
Is there a formula for power?
Yeah, you
There
have to
is?
find power to find horsepower. It's just one more step.
Really?
Why
Oh,
would you
I
find
didn't know that.
horsepower?
Okay, we have a trade at 0.78.
Okay.
We need QQQ at our side, which he is not. I really want Tesla to continue up a bit more so that I can take the red tick screen into 7.6 instead of this. Okay, pass. Lag again. Wow.
I think you should put your hands down after this one.
Yeah, okay.
£100?
Okay, I'm
No.
taking the quick profit here because the
Is that Fibonacci right now or what?
There is a Fibonacci, but there's also a 2 minute, but it will crash through easily. It will crash through easily here. Just that I don't like the trade just now because we had a technical issue. See here,
I see.
21. So I didn't wait just now. I take the quick profit, which is a good choice.
Yes.
But I do hope we actually had this bar staying with us for the green. Oh, the down part to the VWAP will be beautiful. The VWAP is waiting actually. Let's wait for it. Be patient. Patient wins the day as long as we keep it up just below the 200. Going through 878.5 will be a big move downwards. I'm not taking it. I prefer this to stay green so that I can kill it later with a red text screen. Oh,
Well, we have 5 minutes left on the clock.
yes, and I like this so much. Oh, I like this so much if this is... Oh, I like this so much. If this is 20 more second
Really?
green. Yeah,
Is it green?
hopefully.
You want a hammer?
I want it to go up so that we got a 5 minutes down and a 2 minutes red text screen and 1 minute market one.
Okay, sure.
Hopefully. For the next 5 seconds. Don't go down, Tesla.
Count on him.
Okay. Great. 78.5. And maybe
Either way.
we can pass through 777.
Wow.
Yeah. That's a good number.
Very.
Okay, there is a green text rate. I'm not taking the green text rate. I prefer it to go down. Is the QQ with us? No, QQ is still in between R2 and the VWAP. So say 878.5 on the downside. We are closing our live soon, so hopefully we can take this trade. It's even nicer if this 2 minute pass with this. Wow, it'll be even nicer. But it's a hard entry. A0.10 is a very, very hard entry. It's too close to the full number. Okay, we are still below the... We're still above the 200 for the
I don't
1
think
minute.
you should.
No, I'm not taking. I'm not taking. I only want the 2 minute red text screen. We need to be safe today, right? Okay, let it pass through so that we have a small one and 78.5 coming. Let it pass through. Let this be a small hammer, then 30 seconds later passing through 78.5. Another 20 seconds perhaps. QQQ is going down. Let's see again. 78.5. Okay.
I wouldn't. Okay.
Passing through. Go down. Good one. Bouncy due to the VWAP at the Q.
One,
Wow.
2.
Okay, our cut loss is at 7 at this. A is 0.2. A is 0.2. Of course 77.5. QQQ on top of the VWAP.
You.
Yeah. Okay. Need to go through. If you want me to take loss, you tell me immediately. I'll take loss. Okay? Great.
Okay.
Q is not on our favor, but Tesla still weak. We have a 1 minute to pass through 775, then it might crash down.
I want you to take your card.
Okay, I take it now. Hey, it's still lag. Okay, because Q is not with us, and actually this thing work is too fast, and we have a lag experience today again. Wow, we got 3 lag experience today. I think we should check our system.
Well, it is 10 right now, so
Yeah.
we
Okay.
could-
Okay, we will end our trade for today.
Yes.
Yeah. Thank you everybody.
Yeah, thank
We
you.
hope you enjoy the show,
Mm-hmm.
and we hope to see you guys back tomorrow.
Yes.
Yeah. Thank you.
Goodbye.
And have a nice day.